The objectives of the study was to compile the body paintings involved in traditional and folk performing arts of South India, South Indian states such as Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Karnataka, as many of the traditional arts have a common thread in it, and study them deeply through the anthropological perspective along with its cultural and ritual contexts. The study focused the performing arts with its historical, folkloric, sociological and performative angles. The study the face and body paintings of folk performances of South India in order to find the common tradition among the folk arts. That was my basic idea, to study in detail on the folk materials used for making pigments, and also to find the relation to the environment, especially the folk performing arts, to find the differences of folk painting styles among the folk semi-classical traditions, to study the meaning of the pictorial grams and colors, and to document the existing face and body paintings through the photographs, drawings and sketches, but mainly paintings related to ritual arts, that is Theyyam, Tira, Buddhas, etc. of Kerala and Karnataka, and paintings related to performing arts such as Pulikali, Terikothu, tiger dances in almost all states, and other theatrical art forms. Paintings related to social functions, henna sometimes, mehendi, and the hand and palm tattooing, etc. The research methodology of the present study was on the basis of social science research, such as formulation of research problem, review of literature, developing the objective of the study, preparing the research design, including the sample design, collecting the data, documentation, analyzing the data, generalization and interpretation of, and finally writing a book as the outcome of the research. So that will be completed in another 2 months. So this is the area of my study, so the whole South Indian states. The art forms related to face paintings in Kerala, there are many art forms, but I focused on Theyyam mainly, that lies in the northern part of Kerala, Kannur and Kasur districts. Then after that, Tira, that is in Calicut and Malappuram districts, and the Pudan, it comes after Palakkad and Thrissur districts. Mudiyettu lies in Thrissur, Ernakulam and Kottayam, also Alappuzha districts, some parts of Alappuzha districts, and Belikkala Theyyattu, again Calicut districts. Malayangattu, it was seen in Kannur district and Kasur districts, and Kandrambatu, the same place, Kannur and Kasur districts. Alamikali found only in Kasur districts, Chimmanakali found only in Kannur district, and Arjuna Nirtham in Kottayam, Ernakulam and Alappuzha districts, Mayura Nirtham, Kottayam and Alappuzha districts, Kurundini in Kannur and Kasur districts, Pulikali mainly in Thrissur district and some other parts, especially it was renamed as Narikali and found in Kasargod and Mangalore of Karnataka, and Padayani in Pathanamthitta, Kottayam and Kollam districts, Kaliyuttu, Kollam and Trivandrum districts, Attikgalinja in Kasargod and Kannur districts, and Kodamuri in Kannur district. So these are all the art forms I found and I documented from Kerala. And when we see the Tamil Nadu sector, basically Terikothu has body paintings, face paintings, and Kaliyatam in almost all parts of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry also, and Mailatam, Madatam, etc. They also use body and face paintings in Tamil Nadu. In Karnataka, we have a Buddha, that is in Kasargod, the northern part of Kasargod, it starts and goes up to Mangalore, Udupi, Kundapuram districts. And Yakshagana also, Yakshagana several, there are two types, Tangittu and Badagittu, two types of Yakshaganas found in Karnataka. And Viragase, almost all parts of Karnataka. And Puja Kunada also Mandya district, Bangalore district, and Mysore districts. And Hulivesha is also seen almost all parts of Karnataka. That is Pulivesha, that is tiger forms. In Andhra, Simandhra and Telangana, I took two states together. Vidhi Nadagam mainly, and Veeranatyam, Burrakada, and Pulivesham, Chindu Bhagodam, and Chindu Yakshaganam. All these art forms use face as well as body paintings. And body painting as a precursor, it is before the performance they use these type of body paintings. One is tattooing. As a ritual, in some tribal communities use tattooing on their body or on their hands as for performing some sort of a ritual dance forms or the social dramas or some performances. Then number two, henna mehendi as a wedding dance also in Kerala for the Muslim bridal community, Muslim bridal dance. They use henna on the day before of their wedding or their marriage, and they do dance. It's called OPPANA. It is also there. Then vibhuti or sacred dash, either on the forehead or on the whole body. They use it. They use as a body painting or a makeup material. Then the makeup is mostly for the theatrical art forms or the dance. Maybe the folk dance forms use this type of makeup. You can see the OPPANA performance after putting the henna on their hand. Vibhuti also, you can see the vibhuti on the forehead for some sort of rituals and their performances. Makeup is also seen, and they use the body makeup for the dance and drama, mainly folk performances. The purpose of the body painting, what is the purpose of a body painting? Is to disguise. This is number one. To convert into a person, to other character, or as a ritual. For a ritual, it is a must. They have to do some sort of painting on their body or on their face for becoming a god sometimes, or becoming a ghost, or some sort of impersonation. Then God manifestation is very important, especially the art forms are doing the God's characters. It is God manifestation is one of the best example I could see in Theyyam performance, Buddha performance, Pudan performance, etc. They all treat them as gods, not the characters. So they want to become the gods, they have to do the makeup. Very, very elaborate makeup. Then aesthetic appearance is also very one of the reasons for aesthetics. Otherwise, we are all the similar people, ordinary people. So when you do something else, when you do some body makeup, when you do some face painting, so you will get an aesthetic appearance. It's also for a performance. It's a very, very important thing. Then impersonation, that's what I already told. Impersonation, otherwise it will be some sort of normal person. So impersonation is a must for performance. Then we have a social functions also for body painting or the makeup. Provide a disguise to the person who wear body painting. Then allow the wearer to assume the identity of some other person or being. Then aesthetic aspects. Then motives. What are the motives behind in a painting or a makeup? Sometimes inhuman, maybe ghosts or gods or inhuman characters can be drawn on the face or the body. Then totemistic is it is a tribal origin. There are a lot of totemistic motifs put as body painting or a face painting. And superhuman characters, motifs are also there in the body painting, especially when you make a Theyyam performance or Buddha performance. Animistic, this is again connected to some sort of totemic. Then natural objects trees are there, or the other natural objects are also seen in the body paintings, especially the face paintings. And divine character. So we have to put the divine characteristics to the person while performing God characters or the Theyyam-like performances. Then other magico-religious function is also social functions of a body painting is magico-religious. These some performances are magico-religious performances to cure the diseases, to get rid of some sort of diseases, or driving away the spirits. That's very important thing in some performances, folk performance or ritual performances. So we have to do that. These type of performances, I mean magico-religious function embedded in the body paintings or the face paintings mainly. Then ritual function is also there. This is a part of ritual. When you do this face painting, so there are rituals. So in Theyyam performance, they have to sing the songs to appease the god, in which appease the character, in which character he is performing afterwards. So they start doing this with a lot of rituals along with that. And camouflage is another one. So they have to be some sort of hunting dances. We can see tiger dance forms. It has come from a tribal origin. It has come from tribal society. And when they go to the tribal settings, or when they go to the forest, they have to be they have to take the form of tigers. So this is camouflage. And mythological characters is also there. This is again the function. So when we do a performance, so it should be in accordance with the mythological aspect which they are performing. So that is also very. Then theatrical is also there. Then decorative. So it's a very beautiful makeup shows. It's very decorative thing. Then again divine, as I said, there are several sort of, when you perform some sort of art forms, so we have to be in similar standard of the divine character. Then body painting as an artistic expression. One is tattoo, that is some sort of artistic expression. It's a permanent one. And surfacial application of pigment, it is temporary for a day or only for a performance. So you can see some photographs. It's a tattoo, a permanent body painting. Number two, as an identity tattoo is used as an identity marker, and it represents his or her social status also. Only 1 minute. Required for rituals, surfacial paintings required for rituals, required for ceremonies, ward of evil spirits, avoid evil eyes. So you can see some photographs. Quick.